how to get the new top of the pirate set in the new DTI quest. Part 1. Subscribe for a part 2 on HIW to get this prize. But here is what it'll teach you how to get. First, you go to the lobby, and if you would like, you can look around as there are hidden secrets in this update that I will go over at the end of the video. Walk over to the blue squares and it all writes, to get the top best to do one player only, which I'll explain. Now when you are in the game, you will get a cutscene. I would watch it if I hadn't watched it before, as it gives clues for 1 of 3 chapters. It will say wait for players, and while you wait, you can explore. But while this happens, you will notice there is some green and black fog and music. When it says head to the deck, you need to follow me and step in this circle. And then it will say, then you'll have a choice to do. Big music or get the top. Cutscene. Now you will see this dance floor. Go onto the seashell block. You will know we're right if you start dancing. Every time the block changes area, go to the closest one to you. If you are in a group playing, tell them to each do one, because 2 and up people doing one takes as much time as 1 person doing it. Also, don't get change 1 if it is not finished, as you'll need to restart the block. 5.3 times speak. Once you finish, it will say enjoy the party. So you can keep DNCing or explore and get ready for the next task. When the timer is done, you'll get to do our next task after cutscene. Go to this hut. And there will be little coconut customers. On top will be, so tap on the flower button on the coconut to see what it wants to order, drinks. All the flower button does something. Press the flower on the cup and press the flower on the machine. Once you do that, press on the option that the coconut ordered. Wait 5 seconds and then press the flower again to equip it. And then give it to the customer by pressing the flower. That will be 110 people to serve. Do it 10 times. You can go to different huts also. Do it in the timer too, and you can make 2 drinks or more at the same time. And the or done, it will show you leaving the island. Then go to the front. Press search for treasure. Do not press keep sailing or else you won't get the top. Once are done picking, you will see this. Do the obby, but there are checkpoints. If you fall, here is what happens. You get flinged. When you get to a rock, there will be a circle go in it, and it's a checkpoint if you fall. There are 3 checkpoints before getting to the boat. I'll speed it up. The goal is get to the boat. There is an obby in the boat for you too. Hop on this. Go to the circle. Pick anything as it does not affect the prize. Now you should be holding an object. You will have to do the obby back with new 3 checkpoints. Go to the curl. Then a cutscene.
It seems you found yourself on the wrong side of the sea, lads. My side.
You can skip if you would like.
Ahoy! The name's Captain Scarlet Fierce. Learn the name, learn the face. You'll never forget it. Of course, we pirates are famously known for our understanding. All we want is your ship, your valuables, and everything you own.
Then press go to lobby. Go to this portal. Follow me. Do what I do. Now for the secrets, go to this speaker. Press tune to change the music. Lana talks to Serena, which means Serena gonna be in chapter 2-3. Also on the Coconut Island there is a fake Lana, or real Lana. And here is the rule. Top is for the top and bottom is for the skirt. I'm using Call Me Haley short as I don't have free cam.